Okay, right. In this video, I will show you. For example, here we want to protect from a reverse polarity. So we need to place the diode here. The diode is here, right? Okay. So if we place the reverse polarity power to the circuit, so we will protect. So the simple way we can use the diode, the Schottky diode. Okay, right. So we don't have that. For example, here I select the BC diode Schottky 15 amp 40 volt. Then the what we call this one, the what we call it, the package is DO35, right? DO35. So what we can do is first we go here and type DO35. Okay, step file. So we have the DO35 step file here, right? And DO-35 SD. Okay, this is very important. Okay, click on it. Then okay, find out the data sheets. Okay, so this is data sheets. So from here you can see that it is the package is DO35, or DO-204AH. It's also DO204, I think. Yeah. DO-204. DO-204AH. Package 3D. Step file. What is step file? Step file actually the file for the 3D. Okay. So yeah, we have here GrabFood, GrabCAD, GrabCAD. But this is very important for you. This is free. You can get it freely. So you need to log in or and sign in. So you need to create an account for that. Okay. So here we have the O35, right? The O27 and so on. So I will show you how to get it later. Okay, first go to the your Altium. Okay, I save this one because later I just add the diode there. Okay, so I close first the project. Okay, all right. Now I think this one too. You can. Okay, so now you can go to file. No, you can go to file and then you can create a new here, and then you can get the library, and then you can create the integrated library, but you can do it from here. Just right click here in this area, then add new to project. Then you find the integrated library, right? Integrated library, click on it, then right click on it, add new to project, schematic library. Okay, then go back to project again, then add new project with the PCB library. Okay, add all them, add all of them. Okay, right, then you go back to project. Okay, so here you can save this, save project as, right, what do you want it to be. Okay, so you go to the see, I always place my project in my document. I mean my library, Q electronic, then maze robot. Okay, one day I will change it. Then create a new folder. Okay, then ensure that the name is what we going to design. So SD103A, SD1 SD Where is it? SD103A, rename SD103A underscore TR. Right. Then click to select the folder. Then you can name this one too to SD1, rename, copy, better you name it that place. Okay, then file name, save, right? Then it will ask you another one for schematic. Place the same, save as, sorry. Then last it will ask you for that integrated library. So save the same name, save, right? So there is a first step. Then what you do is to this is I show you the simple way, the simple way of design the library. Okay, what you need to do is to go to this where is it? Okay, this one. Okay, we can have this one too, right? The DO35, right? DO35. So if you like this, say you want this or this, up to you, So this is step 5. Ensure that it is STP, step 5. Click on it, then download the file. Download the file. Or you can look at this. So also we have, right, a step file, horizontal or vertical. Horizontal or vertical. I think this one. I click this one, right? Okay. Or you can select this one if you like, right? Here we have a number of a few dimensions. Maybe I can say we take the newest all 2023 normal. Okay, normal. Okay, say I take this one and download it. Oh, this one nicer, right? Okay, download it. Okay, then what you do is to go to the to place it, to place it. Place 3D body. Okay, sorry. Before that, better we we set the dimensions or the what the name and so on. So the names is this. Descriptions, you can get the description from here. So it is the small signals of key diode, if you like. Okay. Small signals of key diode. Description. Click OK. Okay. Then you go to the project again. Right. Save it. Then go to project. And then click to your schematic and click the schematic library. Okay. Click the component. And then this one, because it's diode, you normally we represent the what we call the designator, start with D. So D question mark, right? D question mark, and then the comment you can see that it is SR whatever. What's that? SR something, I forgot it. SR 103, SR 103. Then description you can place this one, small signal, right? Symbol component you can take this one, place here, right? And then save it, right? Then just close it, right? Close it. Okay. So now, why component not change? Oh, sorry, I not save it. Oh, I know. Okay, again, D question mark. Then this is SR 103. This is decisions. Oh, description, you can put the what Schottky diode, SOSHO Schottky diode. How to spell Schottky diode? SCHOTTKY. SCHO Schottky KY. Okay, Schottky diode. Or you can set small signal Schottky diode, up to you, and then say OK. Right. So now I change here SR. Right. Go back to the project. Okay. I suggest you start from this SD10 from the PCB. Okay. So first we place the what we call the 3D body, right? Then generate 3D model, and then load from file. So when you download, you download both these two, right? Okay, let's say I select this one, and then click open. Okay, click open. Okay, click. So you see, they okay. Click OK first, and place. Later we can change, and escape. Okay, and escape. You can look at it 3D. This is 2D. Okay, by pressing 3 and 2. Alright, next you go to change that by pressing W. No, I forgot to. So you forgot it, go to internet. How to change mm or cm, no, inch to mm in Altium. Press CQ. Okay, CQ. Okay, just press C, Control Q. Oh, Q. Okay, just press Q. Just press Q. So you change to millimeter. Okay. I suggest you use millimeter rather than that. Okay, next, what you do is to change the. You can change this one. Press and then click on it, and then you can change. I think that one is Y. I think. Change it to 90. Okay. Next. So Y is incorrect. Change this 90 X. Oh no, Control Z. And then you change that Z to 90. Okay, actually I want to make it become, so all this wrong. Okay, this correct. I want to take that up. Okay, I think X90 now. X90. Okay, correct. Okay, so you can see that one. You cannot see it, right? You cannot see it, right? You cannot see it. I mean the height of the component, you cannot see it. So what you do then, you place, right? You place, go here, place a part, right? Tap, and then change it to, the size, right? Okay, you can refer to the size here. To the size here, here. And the size of that. This is the size. Oh, okay. 0.6, 0.6 mm. This one, 0.6. So say we're going to set it to say 0. Okay, 0.6 is for this, whole size. So say I set it to 0.8 mm. Sorry, type. Then the first one I put pin number 1. This one, pin number 1. Designator pin number 1. Okay. Then this one say I want to set it to say to 1.5 and 1.5. Not that big size. Then I place it here in the middle, the middle here. All right. Then change it to 3D, then you can move it. Okay, then you can move it like this. Press again 3. Okay, if you cannot see it, just go here and then zoom. Yeah, refresh. I think I just try to refresh and never refresh. Full screen. No, no. Oh no. View, not full screen. View, feed to feed document. Alright, sorry, feed document. So you can see it now. Okay, now you see the diode. Okay, now you press Control, then change your scroll your mouse, and then you press Shift, then you can move. Move it like that. Okay, view, fit document. This one is a bit. Okay, so now press again Shift, and then you can right click. You can move. You can move it like this. Not left click. Right click. Okay, so you can turn it like this. All right. So if you see here, okay, 0.8 is too big. Okay, so you can change this one. Double click on it, then again change it to 0.665. Say 65. No. Later you got problem with when you drilling. For drilling, got problem. Okay, then install this one at 0, 0. Okay, 0 and 0. You see, X0, Y0. Click OK. Then place another one. Place part. Tab. Change this one to 0.7 because the only one that changed is this one with previously. Click OK and then place it here. Okay. Place it here. I think here. Right. Then you can have a look at it by pressing 2. Okay, and then scroll your mouse. Then you see it's here. Then you can move only that. Okay, if cannot change to 2 again, to I mean to 2 dimension again, then move it a bit there, and then set to 2 to 3. Now it's not not clear. Okay, you can move it like this, but you have a problem here, right? You cannot precisely control it. You cannot precisely control it. So what you can do, you go here, then set to the smallest one, 0.025 mm. That means you can move it very, very small, right? Something like that. Okay. And same with this. This one you cannot move, This one you cannot move, please. That one you cannot move. The one that you can move is this. Because this one previously you set to 0, right? This one. Yeah, 200, right? So this one too, you ensure that the X 20, this one must be 0. Alright, so finally I try to move it a bit. Oh, okay. Oh, you can see like this. Press Shift and then turn it. Turn it like this. Okay. Now you can see it nicely. If you cannot see it nicely, okay, what you can do, and the thing that you can do is double click on it, left click, then increase the standoff height, say to 5 mm, or too much. So change it to 3. Okay. So now you can, if you move it, you can see it, right? You can see it there. Okay. Not nice. You need to, okay. We need to reduce that one. So number 2, go to 2. just try change here, say 6.0. Okay, I think not nice. Number 3. Oh, but 6.3. 6.3. All right. Then I think this one you need to move it a bit here. Okay. I think this is too much, I think. Okay. Now I move this one a bit there. Move a bit there. Again a bit. Okay. All right. So I accept it lah. Right. You can do it nicely because you still young, right? You can do it nicely, not me. Okay. That's okay. We accept it. You can draw. You can draw the, if you like, you can draw the some sort like, you can place the line here, select line, tab, then you can put select the top overlay, click OK, then you can say you can draw something like this. Oh, this is too much. Maybe you change it to 0.1, right? 0.1, then you can select it like this, do it like this, right? Maybe. Okay, then place again here. You can draw something like that if you like. For some component you need to place the top overlay, so you can see it when you draw your your PCB, right? When you draw your PCB, so you can see it. Okay, something like that, like this. But frankly speaking, this is not for diode, no need for diode. But I just want to put it for this, for example. Oh, okay. Another way you can do like this. Click, yeah. Then you see this one, 1.125, 1.125. Just take this one out, 0 and 0. Okay, it's move a bit, right? And then this one too, you need to change to, okay, track, right? This one change to 1.1. I think 1.0 is nice, right? 1.0. Okay, 1.0. So you need to change this one to 1.0 if you like, eh? But this is just example, if you want to draw the what we call some sort like so you can see the pattern, right? Pattern on your board. Maybe you can place a bit here, line, right? Escape. Okay, and then save. Oh, sorry. And then save it. So what you can see here, you have number 1 and number 2. Then we go to the diode. So the diode you can draw it. Actually we don't have this symbol. Where is it? I think we don't have symbol. Where is it for this, right? This is only for IC and so on. Okay. Okay. So what we can do is, this is another trick that I show you. You go to open. Go and open the the any project that you think. For here we have the diode. Diode. Here we have diode here. Okay, LED also. Also okay. Okay. Click to open. cancel. File, open project, sorry, click open project, then we go to QRA. I think what is QRA? I think QRA is some sort like diode too. You get LED. LED. Integrated library. Why not? I can open. Sorry. So I open it now. I try to open from here. Now see, we have something like that, right? Let. Saya tak ada LED. LED blue. Okay, I open this one, LED blue. Open. I just want to copy actually. Okay, go here to the schematic. Right, so we have LED. Okay, how they before that, just look, have a look at the circuit diode, how it look like, right? So SD, data sheets, right? Data sheets, signal diode, signal diode. Okay, no, we don't have circuit diode. Sorry, circuit diode. Symbol. Okay, we have something like that, right? We have something like that. Okay, so now what we can do is copy all this. Okay, copy all this. No problem. I will let you know where you can get that things. Okay, basically this one, this one is a pin. This is a pin. This pin actually you can place it from here. Pin, right? Okay, but now I show you to this the simple way. So just copy it, and then this one, this is line. This is a line. You can place it from here, and then this is the polygon. You can draw it. This one, you can draw it. A round rectangle, polygon, okay, ellipse, pi, and so on. You can draw it by yourself. Okay, but practice makes perfect. By the way, okay, we don't need this, right? Delete it, right? We can make it smaller, right? Smaller once here, maybe a bit. What? Control sec. Control sec. Okay, no. So we can place line, okay, color, place line. Okay, this one, this we can set the snap rate to 0.1 or 1, 1 I think, enough. Make it smaller. Okay, place line. Okay, escape. You can change the color, by the way, to see it. Right, so this one here, another one there. All right. All right, so you have it already. You can change this one if you like, make it smaller. Right, you can change this one. Oh, sorry, go to say. Cannot. I don't want. Okay. Okay, this is our okay. Okay. Alright, now. Alright, complete it. You can make it shorter, shorter, so the length you can put it, let's say 10. Okay, change this one to this one is maybe 10. Okay, then when you click here, ensure that this is designator is number 1 for A0, for A0, because then look at your 3D. Number 1 is here, bottom. Okay, this is cathode. Alright, this is cathode. So number 2 is anode. Number 2 is anode. Anode. This is cathode. Okay, you can turn this one. Right. Okay, turn it. Okay, or you just change the name. Okay, remember this one is number 2, right? Sorry. This is number 2. This is number 1. So number 1 is anode, right? Sorry. Number 1 is anode here. Okay, number 1 is anode. Okay, and number 2 is cathode. Okay, then save. Okay, before that, after you save this one, okay, if you like it, okay, I don't like this, take them out. Later I will show you another design. Okay, then we save it. Then go back here, add footprint, model name, browse. See, this is yours, right? Accept it, okay. And then click OK. Okay, then save it first. Then right click for the first time compile. Okay, so then you can see it in the library. It's available here. Okay, so now we have in the library. Okay, in the library we have at the bottom one here. We have the SD something like that. Okay, now I close this one. Close the project. Not save it. Okay, now I can use it by to the previous project file, recent project, training by stable, right? Part 1 by stable. Then I go to sheet number 1, which we place our power supply. Now I want to place this what we call the socket diode, socket diode. So place and place. Okay, it should be like this, right? Okay, next wire it. Okay, P wire, W wire it. Alright, then what you do? Annotate it. Right? Annotate the schematic quietly. So you have, yes, you have D3 here, because you already have D1 and D2, I think. D1 and D2 in sheet number 2. Right? D1 and D2. Save it. Okay, now we in the PCB. Okay. Okay. This is our PCB yesterday, right? Where we have the we have TB, so we're going to place the socket diode here. Alright. So what we do, we go back to the schematic as usual, and then design, then update the PCB. Okay, and then double click this one, click untick that one, and then validate. Okay, see, unknown pin, then execute. Okay, so it's okay now. Close. So we have it here. Right, so what you can do is you can unroot all. Right, you can save the program action. You can repo, then you can program action, then you can uh, go to tool, program actions, program pour, then save it. Right, then you easily for you to move this one, so you can move it. Okay, here we can see you just press control and then press this one, so you can see, right, you can see the pin, right. And now I'm going to move this one a bit because I want to place the move it a bit there, then I move this one in, right. Okay, as usual, right, as usual, this one you change it, becomes smaller, this one also smaller, right. Then what you do is to move this one here, because this is the anode, right. Right, oh, we make mistake, here. So we make a mistake here. Okay, sorry, before that, this one before, when I did it, okay, I changed the height. Okay, so the height I changed it back to 0, then okay, to 0. Then if you see it is like this, and it is like this, then okay, then this is pin number, okay, that is pin number 2. Okay, so pin number 2, okay, so it's wrong, this is pin number 2. Pin number 2 should be our cathode. So I move this one, click it, and then control space, to move it like this, then place it nicely, right. All right, okay, then save, then go back to the SD, the schematic, select this one, remove, okay, remove it first, then add molder name, browse, click this one, okay, and click OK. Okay, right. Then what you do is to recompile, it, because this is the second time you do it, so you need to recompile. So it is change the library here, then later you need to go to your PCB here, PCB in your project, your previous project. Sorry for the mistake, so I click this one, delete, right, save, and then go back to your save here, delete this one too, go to library, go back to SD103A, place it here, right. Then annotate as usual, tools, annotate schematic correctly, yes. Then after that save, and then update, and go to design, update the PCB. So it will update your PCB, okay, and untick this one, validate change, and then execute the change. All right, close. Okay, now if I move it here, I can move it here. Now I want to change it, change this one, make it smaller, 1. 1.0 mm, and then this 0.1, 154. Enter. Right, so just have a look. Number 3. So you see here now, this is cathode, anode. This is cathode. Okay. So you move back and move the designator, D3 here. Okay, then save it. Okay. Then what you can do is you can place, you can replace your. Okay, I think if I move this one a bit better. Okay, now I want to. Okay, you can place first. Go back to your tools, and then go to program pool, restore it. Okay, right click, and so this bottom, right click, program actions, then report all. Alright, this one is nothing, because the hole is very small, less than the minimum size that you set. That's why we got an error there. Okay, what you can do is you can go here to tools and then reset the error marker. There's no problem. But we not root it, yet not root it. Okay, then this is the one that I said before. You can put the what we call the I forgot it. You can put it like that. So it become the you can see the area of your components, right? And then go to root, and then auto root all, and root all. Okay, so you can see here, routing finish with 0 contention failed complete, 0 connections. Yesterday we got problem with one or two connection, right? But today I show you we got no problem because I add already one jumper here. This is jumper, right? Okay, then right click, program actions, people all. Okay. All right, so you can see it now. Right, you can see it. So this that's by pressing Shift and S, Shift and S, so you can change. You can see it like this. Okay. I think we have no problem with the all ground connected there, but basically we have problem with this. So PT, okay, so you can do something like this, then something like this, right click, program action. But today I'm not going to show you how to root, right? Today I just want to show you how to create the library, component library. So we completed with with SD103A PR, the socket diode, for priority, reverse priority protection. So you can see it, something like Control S, right, and then press 3 to see all the 3D, the 3D. You can press Shift and move it like this. Move it by pressing right, press right, not left, right click, hold it, then you can move. Okay, but in Proteus you can make it turning, turning just like a clock, turning like that. So complete the video for tonight. Bye bye. See you in. If you've got any problem, just contact me. Bye bye.